Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exams Cluster. In this video today we are going to discuss the cutoff marks for the Assistant Public Prosecutor post in Government of Delhi in Directorate of Prosecution, which is recently been notified by the UPSC through advertisement number 02/2021. Before this, these posts were advertised by the UPSC through advertisement number 01/2015 and wherein the CBRT was held on 27 of 6 2015 and the final results were declared on 1/10/2015. So in this we can, after having a look in this cutoffs, we can see that how many minimum marks is required in order to clear the post of APP Delhi, and also what is the minimum or maximum marks which were scored by at that point of time by the candidates, so that they get the first rank, second rank onwards accordingly. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button, and also post your comment and queries in the comment section, so the same would be clarified in the upcoming videos. Friends, also you should also make a note that these cutoffs are notified by the UPSC only, so this is not a fake cutoff. This is an actual cutoff of that exam, so you have to prepare your preparations for this post accordingly. Otherwise, if you will not make this as a benchmark, it will be very difficult, as the competition level has gone to a twofold or threefold after 2015, because right now we are running in 2021 and this exam was held in 6 years back. So in order to make yourself acquainted with all these facts, you have to be very thorough in your preparation, and also you have to clear this exam with a very high score, so that you can finally get an appointment as a post of Assistant Public Prosecutor in Delhi government. So friends, we can see that initially the total number of candidates appeared in RT was 1267 only. That means only 1267 people appeared, out of which this cutoff has been made. The category general, in general category only 582 people appeared, and finally selected were only 32 out of, and in the recruitment test, which was at that point of time was of 100 marks, the minimum suitability was 70 and interview was 50, thereby making a total selection of 137. That means if you will calculate 70 and 50, it makes 120, whereas the final selection has gone to a 17 marks ahead, and the highest marks obtained by a candidate was 153. In this we can see that it was mentioned that written marks was 100 and interview was 100, but now the UPSC has changed the pattern. Now the written marks has become out of 100 to 300, but interview is still the same. Now for the OBC category, it was 371 people who appeared for these posts, and 22 posts were OBC. 22 posts of OBC were notified at that point of time. OBC means Government of Delhi OBC only. This is not a central OBC people. It is OBC belonging to the Delhi government, Delhi state only. Out of which 60 marks was minimum requirement. Interview was for 45, but total thereby making it 123. The highest marks scored by an OBC in this category was 153. That means general and OBC were having a cut-to-cut competition in 2015 also. For the SC, only 314 people appeared. There were only 10 posts, and the recruitment test was of 62. That means more than OBC. OBC scored only 60. That was minimum requirement was 60, whereas in the SC category it was 62. Interview again 40 marks, but the final selection minimum marks was selected at 121, and the highest was 143 out of 200. Now comes, it is a total, and there was no PH category vacancy was now, there was no vacancy of PH, but the PH people who appeared in the recruitment test was only 13 in the recruitment test, interview only 40, but since there was no vacancy, hence it was not qualified by any of them. It is also mentioned that one OBC and one SC candidates are recommended against unreserved vacancy. So friends, by this we can understand that this is out of 200, and that was again 6 years back. Now with the 6 years has lapsed, and now the competition level has gone to a 2 and 3 fold higher than the previous one. Hence you minimum require these kind of marks. The highest marks given in this category, 153, 153 and 143, needs to be now minimum, and the highest marks may become more than this. So you have to prepare your preparations accordingly, and you have to score much better marks with the less negative marking, so that you can make it out for the final selection for the post of APP in Delhi government. Friends, here we are ending this video, and before this I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries, and also refer it to your friends and colleagues, so that they can also get help in preparing this examination and also make it through. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this channel.